Hey guys, it's Stacy here with Modern Day Tech. I just want to tell you that this lifetime Adirondack chair has really held up over the years. I've had mine for a couple years now, and it is just the best outdoor Adirondack chair. It's really, really comfortable. It's easy to sit in and get out of. The chair distance is not so much that a short person's legs stick out. It's very comfortable. It's weathered in all of the seasons very well. I leave it outside 4 seasons a year. I think it's also really important to tell you that even though this chair has been outside in the sun for all the seasons for many years now, it has not discolored or stained or dried out from the UV rays. The only little tiny bit of damage was caused by some squirrels who must have had some food or something was on the arm and they kind of chewed at it. But other than that, it has no scratches, no dings. It's really stood the test of time. I love this chair. I hope you found this review helpful.